the U.S. is providing an initial $11 million U.S. to support immediate assistance in hurricane-affected communities. That's the initial lift. This support is being provided to relief agencies, including the Red Cross, UN World Food Program, Samaritan's Purse, and Project Hope, and others, as well as direct assistance from the government, or direct assistance managed by the government. The initial funding includes support such as emergency food supplies to an estimated 40,000 hurricane-affected people, installation of 6 water treatment systems, each with the capacity to provide 4,000 liters of safe drinking water per hour, emergency shelter materials, installation of static health facilities and mobile medical services to restore and increase access to primary health services, logistics and transportation support to help get relief supplies available in country to affected families. This is all in addition to relief supplies and resources that were pre-positioned in Jamaica with ODPEM, the Jamaican Red Cross, and UN World Food Program to advance immediately after the hurricane.
Thank you very much to the U.S. government. I'm sure this is great news to the Jamaican people.
I express on behalf of Prime Minister Andrew Holness directly to President His Excellency Nayib Bukele, who has from the bottom of his heart and with the graces of God sent this excellent delegation of 300 persons from the firefighters in the health, from a medical mission, the civil protection, search and rescue, as well as the humanitarian aid organization and logistics teams, which will be deployed across the 13 most needy communities. That is the 13 communities that have been identified as having had the greatest destruction as a result of the Hurricane Melissa.